This is Chef Coty. We took a cooking and tequila class here in Playa del Carmen. Her setup was very professional. She had a chef kitchen, so she was able to teach multiple people at one time. She had her assistant working and helping her with us. So on this particular day, we learned to make chile rellenos. And as you can tell, she was showing us the proper way to toast the tomatoes, the onions, and the chiles. So if you never made chile rellenos before, they're kind of hard to peel, but she showed us an easy way. And here she is going to detail about how, because of the certain dish we were making, to leave the stem on there, not to burn it off. Don't do no rookie mistakes. And it's all about presentation. So she really did emphasize to leave the stem on. And here it is. So this is the most easiest way to remove the skin of the chile relleno. And not the way I've been doing it. So this way I found to be so much easier. Here we are cooking, putting the meat. Now I will say, Chef Coty was awesome. Her personality was just like popping. She's funny. And she gave us recipes to take home. We also made some dessert. So if you go to Playa del Carmen and you want to take a chef class with Coty, let me know, because she does do classes. And I will send you the link so you can sign up and get some classes with her. This is perfect for groups. This is great for maybe a couple doing something together. Plan your trip ahead of time. Schedule it with Chef Coty. It's wonderful. Nice location, a safe location, clean. And afterwards, you get to enjoy what you make.